Hello and welcome to Traxain. First of all, what is Traxain? Well, Traxain is a gateway for B2B payments, and it is designed to be used when a service needs to be contracted out by one or more companies. In this way, you can imagine us as the PayPal for subcontracting business, providing a private and secure way to do business and thus avoiding the risk of late payments and defaults that are usually associated with complex subcontracting structures. In order to do this, the client needs some Traxain tokens, which are issued by us in exchange of some legally enforceable guarantee. We thus issue the same number of tokens corresponding to the quantity or the amount of the guarantee that has been provided to us. Once you have the funds, the tokens, you only need to go to our page and select Go to the platform. In order to use our Dapp, we first need to install MetaMask and select the Rinkeby test network. If that's a problem for you, don't hesitate to call us and we will help you with that. So now that we are set up, there are three ways in which you can use the platform: as a client, as a contractor, or both. We are mainly focused on the transport sector, but anyone in any industry can use this system. Let's say I am the client, in this sector the shipper, and I want to provide some security to my contractors that they will be paid in a timely manner. In this case, I will create a trip and include the following data: the string reference, usually a URL where more details can be found, more details about the trip, of course, the buffer time in which you can make complaints if there is any problem with a trip, the time of payment, which is needs to be equal or bigger to the buffer time, and the two most important things: the amount of tokens corresponding to the amount of euros that you deposit as a guarantee, and the validator's address. What is a validator? The validator is very important because it's a third entity, a third party, that will solve any kind of conflict between the parties regarding the contract's execution. So if there is a problem and you don't agree, the client and the contractor, the verifier is going to be like the judge. So you have to select someone that you trust. You can select also Traxain as the verifier by default. Once we have created this service, we can assign it to a contractor. The beauty of this system is that she is going to be able to log in, see the details of the trip, and eventually contract out the service herself. In this way, the contractor acts as an intermediary, but the final contractor gets the same legal and economic security of being paid in time, thanks to the guarantee issued in the first place when the client got its tokens from us. At the execution of the service, the client or the verifier mark it as complete. But even after that, during the buffer time, the client can issue complaints that can be either accepted or rejected by the verifier. After that, when the payday arrives, each of the intermediaries receives their corresponding margin, and the effective carrier receives the rest, the principal, let's say. This is automatically triggered by the smart contract using the funds allocated by the client in the first place. In this way, each of the participants gets paid early, and they can exchange the tokens for fiat currency with Traxain, with us. We can give back the money that we deposited as guarantee, or use it inside the platform. These tokens are not designed to be traded in an exchange, but to be exchanged with us, with Traxain, or inside the platform. So what you have just seen is our client-side application, which is connected to the Ethereum blockchain. But that's not the main use case of this platform. We want to integrate this platform with the current cargo marketplaces in a similar way that you use PayPal in a normal marketplace. So, well, I hope you like the system. Please contact us if you want to know more details about us, and remember that we are hiring. So if you want to participate in this new way of using blockchain technology for real life applications, check our page and have a nice day.